Hello everyone, so I'm making this video because I discovered how well this idea worked for me, and I did not find it mentioned anywhere online in articles or videos, so I thought I would share. So I've had these glasses for over 7 years now, and because I've still been able to get replacement lenses, and they were expensive, and I really love them because they have these hinges that flex in both directions. But anyways, what I found after a few years is that even with regular cleaning and completely replacing the plastic nose pads, is that I was developing kind of this green slime right around the metal, and it's kind of hard. Sorry, it's not focusing very well. You can kind of see maybe a little bit of it still there, and I apologize, I did not do a before and after picture, but trust me, they looked pretty bad about an hour or so ago. And it's not just discoloration, there's actual some kind of organic, like, I don't know, it's bacteria or algae that's growing in there. And again, it just keeps coming back. I tried soap, vinegar, baking soda, and alcohol, and I would rub it in there with a cotton swab. And just a few weeks after each cleaning, it would start coming back and be more noticeable, and I kept having to repeat the process. The best solution that I actually found is to use one of your home brewing organic sterilizing chemicals. Right here I've got PBW, also there's Star San, maybe there's a couple other brands too, and any of those should do the trick because they really attack any organic particles. Just make sure you use really hot water when you dip it in and leave it in there for about an hour. The nose pads come out much cleaner this way, and they stay cleaner a little bit longer. It still hasn't ever completely gone away. I haven't actually replaced the nose pads completely since I've discovered this, so I'll try that again and see if I can completely eliminate it for an extended period of time. But just wanted to share that with people because I found it frustrating that all the other chemicals weren't working very well. So I hope my suggestion helps.